In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your own theme on Google Slides. Even though the Google Slides mobile app doesn't include a full theme builder, you can still create a consistent professional look by designing one slide exactly the way you want and reusing it throughout your presentation. I'll walk you through how to do that step by step right on your phone or tablet. First, launch Google Slides. If you're already signed in, you'll see your recent files. This approach works whether you're updating an existing deck or starting fresh, so open your document and give it a moment to load. If possible, it helps to start from a simple or blank slide so your choices stand out clearly. Next, tap the edit icon, the blue pencil in the bottom right corner. This switches you from viewing to editing mode and unlocks all the formatting tools you'll need. Now it's time to design your look. Set your preferred background color to match your brand or the tone of your presentation. Choose something that keeps text readable. High contrast is key for accessibility. Add your logo by using Insert, then Image, and select it from your device or cloud storage. Resize it so it's visible but not distracting, and place it where you'll want it on every slide, typically a corner or the footer area. Then format your text boxes with the exact fonts, sizes, and colors you plan to reuse. For example, pick one font for titles and another for body text, set alignment and spacing, and adjust line height so longer paragraphs look clean. These choices together create the visual rules of your theme. When your slide looks right, tap the slide thumbnail at the bottom of the screen to select it. This ensures you're working with the slide you just styled. Tap Copy, then tap next to it and select Paste. You'll see a duplicate appear. This new copy carries over your background, logo placement, and text formatting, so you don't have to rebuild anything. If you make a small tweak to the original and want it reflected on future slides, just copy from that updated version. From here on, continue pasting this theme slide whenever you need a new page to maintain a consistent style. Replace the placeholder text with your actual content and drop in images or charts as needed while keeping your core layout intact. If you accidentally nudge the logo or a text box, use Undo right away to keep everything aligned. That's it. With one well-designed slide and a few quick copies, you'll keep your entire presentation on brand, readable, and cohesive, all from the Google Slides mobile app.